Welcome to our video, The Silent Killer, Air Pollution's Link to Climate Change and Mortality Rates. Today, we will uncover the crucial connection between air pollution and its devastating impact on health, highlighting how it contributes to premature deaths and exacerbates climate change. We'll explore the harmful effects of greenhouse gases, the economic ramifications, and how vulnerable populations are disproportionately affected. Join us as we discuss effective strategies to mitigate air pollution, revealing how taking action can ultimately save lives and protect our planet. 1. Air pollution and premature deaths. Air pollution is a pervasive issue that silently affects millions across the globe. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, air pollution is responsible for approximately 7 million premature deaths annually. This staggering number highlights the grave impact of polluted air on human health. These deaths often occur due to respiratory and cardiovascular complications triggered by long-term exposure to harmful pollutants. The air we breathe, often taken for granted, can be as deadly as any disease. People living in urban areas, where pollution is more concentrated, face a higher risk of premature death. It is crucial to understand that air pollution is not just an environmental issue but a severe public health concern. 2. Greenhouse gases and pollution. The burning of fossil fuels is a primary source of greenhouse gases and air pollutants. This process releases not only carbon dioxide, a significant greenhouse gas, but also fine particulate matter, PM 2.5, that can penetrate deep into the lungs. These tiny particles are small enough to enter the bloodstream, posing significant health risks. Greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere, contributing to global warming and climate change. Moreover, pollutants like PM 2.5 are linked to heart attacks, strokes, and respiratory conditions. The dual impact of greenhouse gases and pollution underscores the need for cleaner energy solutions. Transitioning to renewable energy sources can help reduce these dangerous emissions. 3. Climate change amplifies pollution. Climate change is not just about rising temperatures, it also exacerbates air pollution. As temperatures rise, the formation of ground-level ozone increases, which is harmful to respiratory health. This phenomenon is particularly problematic in urban areas during the summer months. Additionally, climate change extends the wildfire season, leading to increased air pollution from smoke. Wildfires release a mix of harmful chemicals and particulate matter, further degrading air quality. The combination of heat and pollution creates a hazardous environment for those with pre-existing health conditions. It's a vicious cycle where pollution contributes to climate change, and climate change, in turn, worsens pollution. 4. Health risks from pollutants. Air pollutants such as nitrogen dioxide, number 2, and sulfur dioxide, SO2, are notorious for their adverse health effects. These substances are byproducts of industrial processes and vehicle emissions. Exposure to NO2 and SO2 can lead to chronic respiratory issues like asthma and even lung cancer. Furthermore, these pollutants are linked to cardiovascular diseases, posing a threat to overall health and well-being. Children and the elderly are particularly vulnerable to these health risks due to weaker immune systems. Understanding the specific dangers of these pollutants is essential for developing effective strategies to mitigate their impact. 5. Economic impact of air pollution. The economic consequences of air pollution are as significant as its health impacts. Every year, billions of dollars are spent on healthcare costs and lost productivity due to pollution-related illnesses. Chronic diseases caused by air pollution can lead to long-term medical expenses and reduced quality of life. Additionally, businesses suffer when employees are unable to work due to health issues, leading to decreased productivity. This economic burden affects not only individuals and families but also national economies. By addressing air pollution, we can alleviate this financial strain and improve economic stability. 6. Vulnerable populations at higher risk. Certain populations are more susceptible to the harmful effects of air pollution. Children, the elderly, and low-income communities bear the brunt of pollution's health impacts. Children are at risk because their lungs are still developing, making them more sensitive to pollutants. The elderly are vulnerable due to age-related health conditions that can be exacerbated by polluted air. Low-income communities often reside in areas with higher pollution levels, lacking resources to mitigate their exposure. Addressing these disparities is crucial for ensuring that all individuals have access to clean air and a healthy environment. 7. Mitigating air pollution saves lives. Efforts to mitigate air pollution can have a profound impact on public health. Transitioning to clean energy sources, such as wind and solar power, can significantly reduce emissions. Furthermore, implementing stricter environmental regulations on industries can help curb pollution. Urban planning that promotes green spaces and public transportation can also contribute to cleaner air. These measures not only improve air quality but also save lives by reducing pollution-related mortality rates. It is a collective responsibility to advocate for policies that prioritize environmental health.